Hey friends, if you encounter the error with the error code 0x80070426 on Microsoft Store and Windows Update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, when I checked the internet, I found one resolution that a few users said worked. Okay, it may or may not work on your system, but let us try it anyway. So, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Microsoft Store install service. Microsoft Store install service. Right click on it and select start to start the service. And then we have to find the Microsoft Store spaces SMP. Okay, this service. Let me check. Yes. Right click on it and then select start. Okay, this should fix the problem, but if it does not, then try these generic solutions. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type ws reset and hit enter to delete the Microsoft Store cache, and then it will open as new. It will rebuild the cache, don't worry about it. The second solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter, and it will start detecting problems. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.